What's up traders? This is the Money Association. I'm doing another video. We're gonna be doing a review on AUD JPY, and I'm gonna show you guys what I think is gonna happen, what is possibly gonna happen, and in which direction we might possibly gonna take a trade based on candlesticks. So we're gonna jump to our chart. As you can see right now, there is buyers trying to get in here in this zone. Buyers are trying to push price up. Sellers are flat. Nobody's selling right now. They're probably price is gonna try to push up, and we're gonna see how price reacts in this area. Now we're gonna wait for the NAB business confidence report. For me, 1 point or 1% means very healthy, means it's growing very good. It's not like spikes, it's just steady growing, let's say. So that shows a little bit of strength. Now with all the chaos happening in Japan with the prime, I don't know what I think it's a prime minister, and let's go here, guys. This is a high approval rating sleeping ahead of elections. JP vows to act against speculative market moves after yen spike. And Tokyo Pandas head for China. So first thing, Tokyo Pandas head to China. That means they're showing independence. Like, hey, we're cutting ties with China. Let's say, like, it's real. What's happening is real. Instability is real. So what do you think is gonna happen? People are gonna run more into what? Investing their money in Australia. But just because that is happening doesn't mean that we're gonna go buy automatically. Because remember, sometimes Japan will devalue their currency to attract more funds and then buy more assets or expand their asset portfolio, and then later show that, hey, we're making good, we're staying good, we can make this happen, let's get it. So just because we are seeing this doesn't mean that it is a buying condition. As you can see, volume of buyers is very low. Buyers, here's a cross, so people are based on, some people trade, oh, it's crossing, buy. Yes, stop losses right here because there's 1 wick, 2 wick, and just because we see 1 wick and 2 wick, that shows that, oh, it's buy. We don't know, like, sellers can try to still push price down here where there is liquidity right here, and we're gonna see if a good deal can happen at 106.00. I'm waiting for price to come and land at this price because there's gonna be stop losses right here, and then we're gonna see what will happen. Yes, because for me, I don't like to sell this quick trade, and I can go into the 5-minute chart, see another candlestick, probably buy a stop loss, get an entry, and make it some quick money right now in this trade. So, but we're gonna see what happens. I don't want to rush into this because there's stop losses right up here, stop losses right up here. So this zone is very high in liquidity, so we're just gonna stay away from it. Now, like we're talking in Japan right now is having a lot of trying to get their defense up and everything. They're having also technology is growing, so that shows very good signs too for Japan, and also independence and cooperation from the United States also backs up the Japanese. Plus probably they have very high technology, military technology, which America needs, or Japan can share with their allies to expand and grow their military portfolio. Yes, okay. So like I said, right now we're waiting for Australia. Australia is, let me see, Australia is right now having issues. Let me see, Australia financial. I don't know why the tab is so slow, guys. Sorry, man. I don't have a bad as PC. So Asia warns Australia risk AI scams without better financial literacy. You see, guys, they are losing money into dumb, stupid shit because people don't understand AI, or their brain is still not in the AI thing. So, like I said, signs are buying due to AI. They're gonna blame AI. Oh yes, keep buying, then tank it. That's why it's very specific to know what you're reading and see what you're doing, and wait. Just because you see the market shows this and this doesn't mean that that's what's gonna happen. That's what they show you, that's what they taught you, that's how you lose, because they show you the basic. You gotta go deep into detail what's happening. Yes. So right now we're gonna wait for the market to come up here and see if it can break and see what type of candlesticks get created here, and we're gonna see what happens down here within this result. But we're gonna push, guys, forward. I'm gonna be doing part 2. I'm gonna be doing it more into depth with what's more might happen in part 2. So let's get it. Make sure to follow. So I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube. If you guys want to be part of the money association, I'm gonna be soon uploading a way where you can be able to join my association and be part of it. But I only take people seriously because, like I said, I don't want to waste time with people that don't know what's going on. This takes years, so it's a lot of patience. So we're gonna see what happens, guys. So this video is gonna be uploaded. We're gonna keep this as a memory, so we can see where we did the mistake, so if we did correct or we are reading the charts correctly. So let's get it, guys. The money